My name is Yuqing Wang. I'm an aspiring pathologist from China, and I'm now applying to pathology residency programs in the United States. I interned at CorePath.
Hello, my name is Dr. Shamaizia. I am from Karachi, Pakistan. I had the privilege of interning at CorePath Laboratory under the mentorship of Dr. Amir Ehsan. It was an inspiring experience that strengthened my knowledge towards pathology and diagnostic excellence. I am an aspiring pathologist. Thank you.
Hello everybody, my name is Victoria Zaravnyaeva, I am from Russia and I interned at CorePath. I am an aspiring pathologist. I would like to congratulate my colleagues with upcoming International Pathologist Day. Thank you.
My name is Majid, I'm from Canada. I interned at CorePath and I'm an aspiring pathologist.
Hello, my name is Dr. Fazaizia and I'm from Karachi, Pakistan. I interned at CorePath Laboratories under the mentorship of Dr. Ehsan. I am an aspiring pathologist. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Masako and I'm from California in the United States. I interned at CorePath as I'm an aspiring pathologist. Happy International Pathology Day, everybody!